Welcome to Exam Sale. In this short guide I will walk you through the syllabus for the Pega Certified Decisioning Consultant exam so you know what to study and how to prepare. This exam is divided across 6 domains with exact weights. Decision strategies 40%, next best action 15%, real-time containers and data flows 15%, predictive analytics 10%, adaptive analytics 10%, and visual business director 10%. Each domain lists focus areas, difficulty, estimated learning time and assessment style so you can prioritize study time effectively. Decision strategies carries the largest weight at 40% and focuses on mastering the strategy canvas and logic components to implement complex business decisioning requirements. You will learn to create and configure decision strategies, work with the strategy canvas and visual components, and define propositions and action hierarchies. The syllabus covers implementing decision logic using selection and filter components, ranking and prioritizing actions based on propensity, and calculating custom metrics within strategy paths. You will also practice testing strategy logic with the test panel, and manage property mapping and data transformations in scenario-based assessments. Estimated learning time is 24 hours and difficulty is hard. Next best action is 15% and focuses on applying the Pega Customer Decision Hub framework to align business objectives with customer needs. Expect to understand the next best action paradigm, define business issues and group hierarchies, and configure engagement policies covering eligibility, applicability, and suitability. You will learn arbitration methods that use propensity, context, and value, implement business constraints and contact policies, and configure communication channels and triggers. This domain is medium difficulty, assessed conceptually and through scenarios, with about 8 hours of study recommended. Real-time containers and data flows is also 15% and focuses on configuring the technical infrastructure for delivering decisions across batch and real-time channels. You will configure real-time containers for external requests, define and manage data flows for batch processing, and implement real-time data flow monitoring. The syllabus includes understanding the role of service-level agreements in decisioning, managing data flow sources and destinations, and handling errors and exceptions in decisioning runs. This domain blends hands-on and conceptual assessment and has an estimated 8 hours of learning at medium difficulty. Predictive analytics accounts for 10% and focuses on integrating pre-built predictive models to enhance the accuracy of strategy outcomes. You will identify use cases for predictive models, import third-party models using PMML and H2O AI, and configure predictive model components within strategies. The domain also covers mapping model outputs to strategy properties, evaluating model performance and propensity scores, and monitoring model outcomes for accuracy. This section is medium difficulty, conceptually and through scenarios, and is expected to take around 4 hours of study. Adaptive analytics is 10% and focuses on implementing self-learning models that automatically adjust to customer behavior in real time. The syllabus covers understanding the adaptive learning cycle, configuring adaptive model components and schemas, and identifying and selecting effective predictors. You will manage model evidence and outcome definitions, monitor model performance using LIFT and AUC, and inspect model details and predictor importance. This domain is marked hard, assessed conceptually and with scenarios, and the recommended study time is 6 hours. Visual Business Director is 10% and focuses on visualizing the business impact of decision strategies and performing simulation analysis. You will navigate the Visual Business Director interface, analyze strategy results in 3D visualization, and compare current and proposed strategy versions. The topics include assessing key performance indicators through simulation, managing VBD datasets and dimensional data, and performing what-if analysis on business outcomes. This domain is relatively easy, scenario-based, and expected to take about 4 hours. Wrap up by allocating study time based on weights and difficulty, focusing first on decision strategies, then the integration and analytics domains, and finally VBD. Practice with scenario-based exercises and hands-on configuration to build confidence, and review model and monitoring concepts before the exam. Good luck with your preparation for the Pega Certified Decisioning Consultant certification.